Hi there, hi everyone. What's happening? Yes. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. This is a 3 star Sudoku in this additional of Monday, June the 8th, 2020, this today. So we have 4 Sudokus to go. This one is a 3 stars, we have a 4 stars, and also a binary and a tectonic. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Which number can I use? Yeah, which number can I use? Ay. We have a pair in this. No, not a pair. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Yes, we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2 of those missing numbers of these 4 boxes are the 1 and the 2. I see here 1 and a 2, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 and the 2 goes here as a pair. The other 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers 5 and the 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have 3 missing numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 4, the 3, and the 7. 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 7 and a 4 here, so that means 1 digit left for the 3. The 4 and the 7 are left. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And now 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 5, the 9, and the 4. And look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. The 5 and the 4 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. And then we go here, 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, number 4. How about the number Yes. Alright. 9 and 6. Then I know this number. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have in the first row a 6 in one of those two boxes. In the third row we have a 6 over there. That means in the row between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. The same with the number 9. We see here 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for 9 should be here and there. So we have a pair. The 6 and the 9, I mark them because you can follow me easier. 6 and the 9. Yes, that means in the second row we have one box left. This should be the number 2. 2 is missing, yes. The 2 is missing. 3, 6, 5. And 7. Alright. How about the number 7 in this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Two missing numbers in the last row. The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3 we see here. A 3 in this big square, so no 3 in that box. 3 goes here and the 1 goes there. 2, 8 and 7. These 3 numbers in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 2, the 8 and a 7. And look, we have an 8 and a 7 there. So no 8 and a 7 in this box. So the 2 is left for this box. The 8 and the 7 goes here. The 8 and the 7 goes there. That means one box left in this row for the number 6. 6 is missing here. Yeah, 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 9. 9, 1, and 2. Alright. 6. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 boxes left for the 6, here or there. But I see here also a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So on the column next, the only two places for a 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. Alright. 3, 5, and 7. Okay. And now we go to the number. Which number can we go? Yeah. Do we have a pair? No. I need a pair. 1, 2, and this is supposed to be, yes. In the middle row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? 1, 2, 5. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 5. Yeah, a 5. I see here a 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Remember that? Remember that we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column row. We go to the last column because 3 missing numbers here. And those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 5. 1, 2, and a 5. 1, 2, and a 5. We have a 5 here and a 2 there. So 1 box left for this column. 1, 2, and a 5. This should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 1. 1 box left in the last column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. And look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there, and all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes. 1 box left in this first column for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. No. We have a 3 there. 8 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, a little bit faster than the Sudoku with 2 stars. Anyway, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download a PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And thank you again for watching this great video Sudoku with 3 stars. And I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 4 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.